Top line granite, thank you for not yielding.
Turn right.
Little blue rogue, thank you for not yielding. Oh, that wasn't nice. Wrong lane, dum-dum. Whoa! Don't be nice. Was that an exit dive? Good morning, dear. Don't run the red. Hey, you're on the red! I like how it's blocking the taillights. Yeah, that's a great thing. Oh my god, it's windy out today. Stop sign. I don't know if they have those in New York, but we have them here. Could you move? Jive turkeys. Get out of the way, super turd. Jesus Christ. Use your mirror, old man. Yes, most beloved kids! Stop, lady. You gotta stop.
So Sammy took some time. He went to Cabo, to his residence in Cabo. This is pre-Cabo Rama. He went coming up with in Cabo while he was writing for Wave 1 2. Maybe he's clever.
Zibadoosh!
Retailers of New England, all-wheel drive traffic.
Exit dive. A little faster, a little faster, a little...
Simon, a couple of spots to number 5, Chicago.
The fuck, dude?
You're listening to Perfect World number 6. Yes, DJ Big Freak out on 1988. I'm Neil Blackmore. No, John.
I see you looking at me. La 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 la. Get up. What is your problem, bitch? He had the right of way. It's a zipper merge. What trash? What trash? Exit regret left. Hey, 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 get a red. Damn Nissan drivers. You, it's red.